Yes, hello and welcome to another vlog from Benna Rider. Today we're here with the CB500X and the little windshield extension that I bought already a few weeks ago, and I just didn't get around to installing it. And today we want to install this. So, okay, this is the box that I received from Amazon, and inside there is the screen here and these two thingies. And there are no tools. There are no tools with it, so you have to have Allen wrenches, like two different sizes of Allen wrenches to install this. Yeah, and there's no installation instructions in the box, and that's why we're actually doing this video. Okay, so I just unpacked everything, and as I said, these two Allen wrenches are not included. This is a 3 and a 4 millimeter, which you need for the installation process. So we have this here, and we have this and this. Okay, so the first step, I have installed this triangular thingy here. This is the front, and I use the 4 millimeter Allen wrench to attach it to this one here. We have this screen here, and then I tightened these screws already, and this is the one actually that goes onto your windscreen. So the windscreen will go here, yeah, and this one will slide in here. This will go in there, and you can move it up and down. Okay, so this is this, like so. And what you also need to do, you need to put these rubbery thingies here then, when you finally attach it to your, how do you do this? Like so, huh? Yeah. You attach these rubbery thingies here, so that you don't scratch your windscreen. And then you will adjust all this, you just put this through here, this goes through here, when it's through here, and then you can open it and tighten it or loosen it with this one. So, I just want to show you this, and then later on we'll do it on the bike. Okay, so I have put all this together now, as you can see, and the screws are in here, all the 4 screws. I have attached this lever here, and now you just have to kind of put this screen in the middle. Of course, that's up to you, how to put it in the middle. So maybe you go here and look at it or so, something like this. You just basically have to screw these, tighten these screws here, like so, and see that everything is in the middle. So that is the second or third step. So this is the lever here that you can adjust, that you can open or close to adjust the height and the angle of attack of the windscreen. Okay, so as you can see, we've installed everything here. Now I will have to do some test rides and see, if I have to adjust the angle, adjust the angle or maybe the height of this as well. So this was another tutorial from Benna Rider. Thanks very much for watching. This is Benna Rider out. Take care. Bye-bye.